Question 11 on compound and simple interest. Rich inherits £10,000 and wants to invest it. His bank is offering him 2 accounts. There are conditions here for compound collector's account. They offer 5.5% of compound interest per year, paid annually into your account. Rate is guaranteed for 5 years. Simple savings account offers more. In terms of percentage, they say they will pay 6.2% of simple interest paid annually by check. Rate is guaranteed for 5 years. No further deposits permitted after opening. After 5 years, which account will give him the largest balance? Let's find out the balance on the, that he will have, and he invests his £10,000 into each account. So let's write down for the first one, for the compound collector's account. Okay. First of all, we need to find the multiplier, right? So if his original amount will be 100%, and at the end of each year he will get 5.5% more, right? So therefore he will have 105.5%. The multiplier will be this number divided by 100, so it's 1.055. Yeah, so right, so we have how much money he will have after 5 years. He invests £10,000, right, multiplied by the multiplier 1.055 to the power of 5, because this situation will be repeated 5 times. This amount is equal to, let's find out, right, we have 10,000, let's calculate, we have exact 10,000, right, multiplied, and then we have 1.055 to the power. Here is the button for the power. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it. There is a button here, number to the power, so let's press this button, okay, to the power of 5, okay, and now we need to simply get the answer. The answer is 13,669, right, and 60 pence. Okay, that's the amount that he will have after 5 years on the compound collector account. Let's find amount on the simple savers account. Okay, we need to calculate 6.2%. okay, and that will have to be repeated 5 times. So basically, to find 6.2% of something means 6.2% of 10,000, right? 10,000 means multiplier will be this number divided by 100, so it means 0.062 multiplied by 10,000. So the answer to this is going to be £620. This amount will be paid to him 5 times for 5 years, right? For 5 years. The interest will be 620 times 5, which is 3,100. So therefore, after 5 years, okay, he will have on his account 10,000 plus 3,100, which is going to be equal to 13,100 pounds. Alright, so this much he will have on the compound interest account, and this much he will have on the simple savers account. As you can see, the simple savers account will have the biggest balance after 5 years, so we can compare. Please compare them, doesn't matter how simple basically work is, right? So you need to say that this number is bigger than this number, and so that's why you conclude that the largest balance is going to be on the simple savers account. Okay, so now the next question they're asking, it sounds a little bit strange, isn't it? So we know that after 5 years he will be better off, Rich will be better off with the simple savers account, and the question is quite unusual. They're asking, why might Rich not want to invest in the simple savers account? The only reason that why he wouldn't want to get more money is actually written here: no further deposits permitted after opening, because it's kind of obvious, right, that after 5 years he's getting more money on the simple savers account. So therefore the only kind of like natural reason will be that he might want to deposit more money during the 5 years, and he can't with the simple savers account. So that's how we will write answer. So he might want to deposit more money during the 5 years. We can't guarantee that the simple savers account will be always beneficial. Maybe after certain number of years, and actually you can perhaps look at how many years actually compound interest account will be more beneficial for Rich. All right, but for the first 5 years, and that's what we have to mention in our answer, that he might just want to deposit more money, and he can't deposit more with the simple savers account. He can't with the simple savers account, right? The simple savers account. That's it. That's the end of the question.